We're going to try again. So I have this sketch going. It's a demo sketch. I rewrote the wording on it, but it basically your basic demo graphic sketch for this screen, which this is a touch screen. It's got a crack in it, and so the touch feature doesn't work on it. But I was wanting to use a touch screen, and I'll have to get a new one. And I was wanting to use this particular screen. I like this screen pretty well, except when I first got it, I had a real hard time getting it to work, because to use it with Arduino, you had to use level shifters. And I tried the level shifting with the voltage dividers, resistors, to bring it down to the right level so that it would be the 3.3 volt, and I could not get the screen to work at all. And so I bought some level shifters, and I got it to work. And but then I had this project in mind, and you see that takes quite a bit of wires, and for the touchscreen function to work, you have to have 5 more wires than what I've already got hooked up. And so I chose a different chip, rather than the Atmega32A. Now, you could use a arduino Mega or something, and have more pins to work with, and that would be fine. I mean, nothing wrong with that. But I kind of didn't want to use the level shifters, because it took 3 level shifters. It took 3 level shifters to be able to hook all these wires up and do all the level shifting that needed to be done. So I chose this over here, this Atmega32A chip, and I got this nifty little programmer, and I downloaded this demo sketch to see how well it would work, and it seems to work fine. But what I did is I set the jumper over here to 3.3 volts, so this is done with 3.3 volt logic, and it doesn't need any level shifters. So I can, as long as my sensors and stuff that I intend to add to the project all are 3.3 volt logic, then I can just program this chip with 3.3 volt and make it work with that chip, which I think is an excellent idea. Anyway, using Arduino IDE, I was able to get this accomplished, and seems like my camera's out of focus about half the time here, but I thought y'all might be interested. Just something I enjoyed doing, and that Atmega32A is going to work wonderfully, because it's 40 pin, and I've got 3 analog pins left after my hookup, and I've got 15 other digital pins that I can use, and I can use the I2C bus, which I intend to do because I wanted to have real-time clock on it, with the time on my displayed on my screen. So there's just so many things that I can do with this. Using this screen with the Atmega328, you don't have your I2C bus available anymore, because you're using it for other purposes. So anyway, just something that I thought I would share. It's going to be a great project. One of these days I'll get it done. It might be a while, but thought you might be interested. Have a good one. Bye.